In the previous video, this is what happened. Now we're getting to part 2, fixing my 2005 R6. Alright, I got the tank lifted. So now I'm gonna take the air box off. See what we got going on in there. Alright, let's see what we have here underneath the air box. Put that up real quick. Oh, okay. The whole thing just dropped on the floor. K&N. You see right there. K&N. Not too bad. Clean it up a little. It's a big ass air filter. Inside, so that's a good thing. So it's doing its job, definitely. I'll have to clean that up. Alright guys, I'm into this R6 build, and as you can see, I got the tank off over there. I got some of the air ducts off. I got a coil off right now. Got it all apart here. So I'm doing mad work to this thing right here. Try to get it. And this is just, all this right here is to do an oil, not the oil change. All this right here is to do a tune-up, to change the spark plugs. You gotta take all this off and get down in there. As you can see, there's the base for the spark plugs and the coils. The rest of the coils I have to get. I got my tools all over the place. But, you know, this is kind of complex. This R6 right here is kind of complex. I haven't came across some of this stuff before. So, I'm taking it one step at a time, and hopefully we can get the stutter out of here. Alright, so we're back, and I took the old spark plugs out, and you can see how tight it is in there. It's always tight. I got my tool. I had to go out and get a swivel socket extender. Put it in the bay 2. Get a little bite on the spark plugs, pull it out, and then I'll tighten it up after I get all 4 of them in its bay. See right here, it's starting to get a little tight now. See, spark plug is in, and we'll tighten it up later, clean around the edges there, and then we'll have to put everything back together again. All the plugs, all the covers. This thing. Alright, so I got the new plugs in. I got the coils in. See right there. plugs are all snapped into place. And let's move on to the next. All right, I got the air filter box back in place. I got the air ducts back in place. All the tubes are hooked up. I was thinking there should have been some kind of bolts here to hold this air box down in the back, but all you have is this one here. So hopefully that everything is tight, it won't move. I got the KN air filter, put that there. It's recharged, cleaned and recharged. So we'll put the top on and then put the fuel tank back on. Hook up the fuel hoses and the connectors, and then we can start it up and see how it sounds. Oh yeah, right away.